Okay, so the previous class we have already learned about the function in Python. I think everyone understood the topic, what is function, how the function work. Okay, so today we practice some example related to the function. Okay, that will help you to more detailed understanding. Okay, so what is the first question here? That is the question. I think I zoom this thing a little better. Okay, okay. So what is the first question? The write a program using function to calculate the average of its argument. Okay, so simple thing, you have to give two arguments like numbers, and the function give you the output, the average of those numbers. Okay, so let's write the code. So at first we have to create the function. So what is the keyword to define a function? We all know at first I have to write def. Okay, then you have to create one name of the function, or you can call function variable. Okay, let's suppose this is the average, so I write check underscore avg. Okay, you can give any kind of name. Okay, simple give average, simple avg. Okay, you can give, and then you have to put the bracket, and as if you know there is an argument or I have to put, so I have to give some argument name. Okay, that is a comma b. Okay, simple thing, and put the column. This is the main thing defining the function. Next, in the body part, you have to give the operation part, how you can do the operation. Okay, the simple thing, you just uh, put a thing, avj is the variable, and the main operation is a plus b by 2 is the average. Okay, we all know that is a plus b by 2. Okay, this is the thing. And print, I have to print this thing, print avg. Okay, this is the whole function we have already created, and then I call this function with the argument. Okay, okay, so I call the function agck avg and put the two values. Let's suppose 45, and okay, I do simple thing 4 comma 8. We all know what is the average. 8 plus 4 is 12, by 2 is 6. Okay, so run this code. See, give is the average. Okay, so you can do the different way, you can print statement, but you can do this way. Okay, so everyone understood what is the average function doing? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, wait, there's some network issue. Okay, I think that's clear. Okay, so this way you can do the function simple way, you can do, doing the average function. Okay, okay, now what is the next function? You have to create a function checking the number. Hello, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my I think screen is not visible, no?
Yes, sir.
No, screen is not visible.
Okay, sorry. Now it is
Yes,
visible.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me, how can I write this program? Anyone? Mujammil, please try.
Sir,
Yes.
we will check the modulus, like we'll use the modulus. Okay.
Okay. At first, you create the function name. Define the
We will
function.
take the input from the,
No,
yeah,
no,
we'll
don't need
first
to.
define the function and then
Yes,
we
yes.
will take the, yes,
Just write def and give a name. Check You can give any kind of name. Okay, same like a variable. You just write this name even odd. Okay, this is the function name, and here. Okay, okay. Can you tell me how many parameter I have to give here? One or two or more than one? Because check a number for only one number. So I give here only one number.
One
Only
parameter.
only num you can give here. Okay. Then put the yes colon and now the body part. So how what is the main operation part? Can anyone tell me?
Yes, sir. We'll put the number and we'll check whether number modulus 2 is equal to 0, then it is even number. Or if it is not, that there is any reminder, if we can say, I will put a range to check the number. If
No.
number modulus 2 is equal to 0, then print
Num is
prime number, even number,
even
then
number.
yeah, else.
Okay, else
Yes,
part is
sir.
a odd number. Yes, yes. So here
Yes,
we
yes,
have to use the conditional statement. Okay. So
yes.
if we can put the bracket also num percentage by 2 is equal to 0. What does this mean? Okay, Akash, you know new to this class, so understood. This is give you the remainder part. Okay, and using the conditional statement, it will checking the remainder part is 0 after dividing by 2. We all know the even number always divisible by 2, so it will giving the remainder 0. Actually, it is divisible at that is. So this by this conditional statement, I am checking the number it is divisible by 2 or not. So this is the main condition. Okay, if this is the comparison operator, so when it is true it will print it is a even number. If it is false, it will give you the odd number. Okay, so this is the conditional statement we use here. The next I just put the print statement, print, then I write just simply a num is a even number. Okay, this is the thing. And next I put the else part, and don't need to put any condition, just write the print statement num is an odd number. Okay, this is the main thing for condition. Now the function calling part, you have to call the function. Okay, so check pvn odd, this is the function, and put the argument. So at first I checking the 45. What is this thing? Okay, now run this code. See, 40 is an odd number because we all know it is not fulfill the condition of the if part. It will not divisible by 2. So come to the else part and it will reply this is an odd number. And also you can again run. Okay, if I do for 78. Okay, we all know this is the even number. See, 70 is the even number. Okay, so understand everyone?
Yes.
Akash, any
Yes.
doubt?
No, no,
All
no,
clear?
no doubt.
Okay,
You are
okay.
clear.
Anita, all clear? Okay. Now move to the next question. Okay, what is the next question? Okay, yes. The next question is you have to checking two numbers. You have to taking two numbers as argument and checking the numbers are equal or greater than or less than. Okay, this is the thing you have to create using function. Okay, so we all know how to define the function and how to put the condition. The main thing define function and then put the condition inside the function. And now this is the thing. Okay. Okay, see. I'm going to simple define the function def, then put the not function, sorry, the name of the, okay, this is the checking number, you can write this way, check number, check num. Okay, and you have to give two numbers, so you can put a comma b. Okay, then put the colon. This is the function calling definition part. Now we have to give the condition. What is the condition? For equal, if a is equal to b, it is called equal. If a greater than b, a is greater than b. If a less than b, a less than b. This is the thing. So you just put if a is equal to b, then print a is equal to b. Okay. Next, just again I write elif because I have to give three conditions, so I just put a elif and put another question, a greater than b, then use and print a comma is greater than b. And last is else part. This is else part, we all know this is the okay. This is the whole code. Okay. Okay. You have every code I run this calling inside this code. You have a doubt if I write in the another line, it will work. Okay, it will automatically work. Okay, so after I calling this function, I have run this code. Okay, then I create another. Okay, now check here. Check num. I put three times this thing. One is 4, 4. Next. Okay. No. Okay, I put this way. Okay. See, 4 is equal to 4. Okay, because it will satisfy the first statement, it will give you the this output. Okay, if I do okay this way, it will be better. You can do this way and print multiple time print statement. Okay, so again I print chck underscore then I just put 45 67. Okay, so 45 is less than 67, so it will print this last statement. See what is this output. Okay, so it will give you the okay this last for 45 less than 16. Okay, this is the thing. You can also check for the (34, 23 3). It will give you 34 is greater than 23. Okay, this way you can check this by using function. You can checking the number is greater than or equal to or less than. Okay, I think clear to everyone. Okay, now move to the next question, that is write a program to calculate simple interest for senior citizen, rate of interest 12%, and for other the rate of interest is 10%. What is this? You have to create a function where it is calculate the simple interest, okay, based of the principal amount and the year. Okay, and the main rules are there. If the candidate is senior citizen, then you have to the bank will give the interest is 12%, and for other it will 10%. Okay, so let's create the function. Okay, so so here we need three parameters. What is that? Is principal for P, and year for Y, and it is senior citizen. So for S for it is senior citizen or not. Okay, so I create a function def then I do simple interest. Okay, and I put three argument every parameter p comma y and s. Okay, this is the our. Now I have to do. Okay, what is the do? So at first I have to checking the is the person is senior citizen or not. Okay, so if s is equal to y, okay, so then it will give the interest rate according to 12%, else as to 10%. Okay, okay, it is as a string, it will give the string as input. Okay, next print, what print, calculate the interest. Okay, so I is equal to, what is this formula? Can anyone know what is the formula to calculate the interest, simple interest?
So PRT into 100.
Yes, yes. So here t is the y. Okay, so just give you say one bracket p star y star. What is the percentage for senior citizen? 12%. So give that 12 and divided by 100. Okay, this is the thing. And now else but again for else if the person is not senior citizen, therefore the 10% interest rate. So same p star y star 10 then percent. Okay, then return here. Here you have to print this thing. Okay, now run this code. And okay, so call the function interest. And what is the I put the value money principal amount is 2,400. How many year? 2 years, and it is senior citizen, so I put y. So okay, see, this is the amount. Okay, according to this interest. Okay, if I put here n or anything other, see, this is the 480. Okay, because 10% or 240 into 480. Okay, so this way you can simply calculate the interest. Okay, so the basic thing is you can, if you understood the all the previous thing, loop, conditional statement, you can add those thing inside the function part, and whenever you call this function, you can put some arguments regarding to the parameters, you can get the result. Same thing, simple thing. Okay. I think up to this all of you have clear. Okay, now after the last two question, what is the some important question, those are okay. So what is the main thing? We are trying to create a function which get the taking an input as a string, and then it will count the how many upper case is there and how many lower case are there, if there any kind of spaces are there, or special character like asterisk or percentage, exclamatory signs, question mark is there. Okay, so it will count. Okay, so for every type of character it will count. Okay, and show me the result as output. The total number of uppercase is 4, this way. Okay, so this is the main outcome. Okay, so let's do this example. So at first we have to create one definition, one function which taking a string. So df. So next the I put this name is check string. Okay. Now I just simply add, it is take one single string, so I just put s, yeah, as a string. Okay. And put the colon. Okay. Now what I have to do? So so whenever I give him a give this function one string, okay, it will check every letter. So here I have to use for checking every kind of letter. So I have to use the looping concept, because every time it will checking the thing. Is this letter? Let's suppose I okay, I write one. Okay, I put this thing, a quick brown fox. Okay, this is the thing I have to enter here. So every time it will check the A is uppercase or not. It will check the space also. It is space uppercase or lowercase or not. So for every time it will checking. So I have to use the looping concept. Okay. So which loop I here use here? Can you guess? Anyone guess?
For loop.
Yes, because yeah, I have to use the range function and using the for loop, because it will easy, because we know how many types of times it will occur. So there I have to use the for loop. Okay, before going to the loop concept, I have to create some initial variable inside this function for storing the counting of this uppercase, lowercase. So I have to create some variable. So for uppercase, I have to create the upper is equal to 0, because every time it is true, then it will adding in the upper. Okay, upper variable. Again, I lower is equal to 0. For we told previous in the previous classes, whenever you have to store with summation, there will be the initial value will be 0, and for multiplication that will be 1. Okay, and the space is equal to 0, and the special character special char. Okay, is char is equal to 0. Okay, I've initial all those variable. Now come to the loop. So for x, you can choose anything, x in a range. No, not range function. I have to for x in s. Okay, not used to range. Is for the number part. X in s. Okay. So to checking if x. Okay. How to check it is the upper or not? There is a function called is upper. Okay. If you okay. Wait. Okay, let's suppose I create a string s is equal to a. Okay. If you check s dot is upper, it will give you false because it is not upper. Okay, run this code, give you false because it will checking it is upper. No, s is not upper. So if you put here is lower, it will give you true because it is lower. So yes, the value inside the s is lower. So this function we will use here also. Okay, we can use the built-in function inside this. So x dot is upper. Okay, it is true. If it is true, then you can do the thing upper plus is equal to 1. Can anyone tell me what is this meaning? Anita? Hello?
It's increment.
Yes, then increment the value of the upper. It's meaning upper is equal to upper plus 1. Okay. So what is the value of upper? Upper is 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So now the upper value is 1. Okay. So this way it will increment the value. Okay. Now elif, I put the another condition elif x dot is lower for the same thing. we'll put the condition. So again, I add, if this lower is true, then lower plus is equal to 1. Enter. Again, I put elif for the space checking. If now there, I just use simple thing, x is equal to space, then I add space is equal to not plus is equal to 1. Okay, and last is else, if there is any other kind of character, yes, so then it will add in the special character SPCIAL special underscore char plus not plus is equal to 1. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, this is the main condition. So we will store them. Now the printing part, print number of upper case upper. Okay, this is the this is the variable we create here. I already count here and print yes. See, Control V again. I do the for the space. Okay, now the character. Okay, so this is the whole function. Okay, we all print all the thing. Okay, so run. Okay, complete. Next. Okay, I just put this function quick brown first. Okay, so this way print not print. What is the function? Check string. check underscore string. Okay, put the whole a quick bro brown f4x fox. I put on exclamation for the selector. Okay, so how many type of uppercase are there? Hello, anyone?
Also,
4. And how many this lowercase? 1 2 3 4 4
so
8
10.
10. And spaces are 1 2 3 1 2 3, and that's one space character. Okay, okay, check. See, the number of uppercase is 4, lowercase is 10, space is 3, and this. So this is the thing. You can just simple thing, you just have to know the condition, how you can create the condition part or the main operation part, and regarding to this thing, put inside the function. Okay, and it will give you the, okay, you can do anything. Okay, yeah, okay, again you can call this function for another. Okay, you can do okay. So here how many there are things? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 10. 10 is the lowercase and 3 is the uppercase and 2 is the special character. Okay, so see for this, see 3 is the uppercase, 10 is the lowercase, and 2 is special character, 2 space and 3 2 special letter. One is this quotation and one is this question mark. Okay, so this way you can do it. Okay, now the thing here, I do the operation using the variable and adding this thing. Now you guys are trying to do this thing using the list. Okay, try your system, or anyone have known using the system, try to write in the chat box using the list. Okay, using list, just do this same thing. Everyone please try. Mujammil, Anita, Akash, please try same thing but using list operation, using list method. Okay, you can do, try. I'll give you 5 minutes, please try. So done everyone, or hello Mujamil,
Not done.
complete?
No, sir.
Okay, yes or no? I cannot hear your voice.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay, so have you doing the program using the list?
Yes, yes, sir. I'm checking it.
Okay, okay, okay. And Anita, Akash, what about you?
Doing so.
Okay, okay, okay. Same concept, but only use the list and use their method. Same approach. Okay, so okay, Mujamil, can you share your screen? How much you have done? What about Anita? Okay, Mujamil, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir. Just sharing.
Okay, okay. I am allowing you.
I'm not getting it how to do.
Actually, I'm joined from mobile. I'll join from laptop.
Okay, so can you give the code in the chat box?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, is Akash. I am showing you how it is work using the list. Okay, for next time, please everyone try to join the laptop for your better. Okay, okay, no issue for today. Okay, next time you will join with the laptop for everyone. Interactive session for everyone. Okay, Anita, what about you? I would. I think your mic is off. Okay, I am doing the example. Okay, okay, Mujamil, you can share this in the chat box. Okay, I will check it. Okay, see, I copy all this thing in the next. Okay, okay. So what I do, I told everyone to do this thing using the list. So here I creating the variable. So I just do this as a create as a empty list. Okay, every variable I create as a empty list. Okay, what happened for creating empty list? So what I do, whenever I checking this condition, I insert this that character inside this according to this upper or lower or space. Okay, so this way I store all the variable inside this list, and then I do the count or so the length of the list, and it will give you the number. Okay, this way I can do. Okay, so what I do here, so you have to go, this is the upper upper the empty list, upper dot, what is the function or method to add some element inside the list? Mujammil, hello.
The append.
Yes, append, yes, that's good. Append is the method. So append, what I have to insert, that is x, which it is true. So I put here x. Again for the same thing, lower dot append. So it every empty list I have to append the, if it is true, so there it will add, for space also space dot append. Okay, this way you can do, and for same for this a dot, sorry, dot append x. Okay, this is the thing, this way you can do. Now there you have to, if you do this thing, the nothing change, but it will give you the list. Okay, so I have to need the number, so just put length function here, length of upper, and again the bracket, same for length. It will give you the count of how many lowercase are there. Okay, you can also print the list also, it will be better. Okay, so you using the list operation, you can do the multiple thing. Okay, also get the character, how many characters are there, what the characters are there, you can also store that way. Okay, so, okay. So now run this code. Okay, I just changed the name. This is called string 1, string 2 for better. Okay. Check, check string string 2 bracket, then equivalent works. Equi- Okay, now run. See, same output. Okay, you can also add something like the what is the upper. Okay, okay, just only print one statement extra. Print upper. Okay, see what happened. See, this is the upper. Okay, so upper is already printed. So how many upper characters are there? You can also print the upper characters are. That's why you can print this thing also. Okay, so using the list, you can do multiple output. Okay, but only using this thing, you can only have only the number output. How many numbers are there? But using the list, you can do multiple output. If there the question is the how many the characters, the upper characters also. So the lower characters. Okay, using the list. So then you can use in the list. Okay. So this way, this both way you can do. Both way are the correct. Okay. You can use both way. But list is the better. Okay, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Akash, you have a question that how I think this is clear to you.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Mujamil, I will do it this way. Or you
Yes, sir, I got it.
okay, okay, okay. Okay. Now move to the last question. That is okay. So you have to create the function. You have to check the number is perfect or not. So what is the perfect number? So a number is called perfect when the number the integer or the divisor. Okay, the positive divisor of that number. If the adding the all those positive divisor, it is equal to the same number. It is called perfect number. Just like 6. If you write 6. What is the divisor at the 6? 1 is the one divisor, plus 2 is the another divisor, 3 is the other divisor, and also no, only 3. 6 is the divisor, but I omit the 6, but this is a 3. So adding this thing, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 6. So whenever the summation of the all divisor, positive divisor of the number is equal to the same number, then it is called perfect number. Okay, otherwise it is not. Okay, so this is the thing. So you have to create this function. Okay, wait a minute, there is some phone call coming. Just give me. Okay, so this is the thing. How to check the perfect number? Okay, so let's do this now. Let's do this. So at first I have to create the so okay. So I have to create this check perfect. A minute. Okay. So I have to define the function name. Okay. Now what is the operation? So at first, which number I have give here, I have to check it is what is the divisor of this number. Okay. So for every number from 1 to that number, because we all know if I give a 6, so the divisor of the 6 is between 1 to 6, not more than 6. 8 is not the divisor of the 6. 7 is not. So whenever the divisor, if you find, it will limit it. Okay. So here I have to use the loop. For loop I have to use, because we know this is the limited number as there. Okay. So I have to use the for loop for 1 to n, for now, or 1 to now. Okay. So up to now, I have to give the for loop. For every number, it is divisible or not, checking. If it's divisible, adding in the some variable name sum, and every time it will divisible, add that number. And last, if the summation is equal to the num, it will that perfect number, otherwise not. Okay. So at first I have to give the variable, okay, sum for the adding purpose. So sum is equal to 0. This is the initialized part. Next, I have to use the for loop for I in range, okay, 1 comma num, because we know if I range function, we all know it will give up to the 1 to num minus 1, means if the num is 6, so 1 2 3 4 5, up to 5 it will give you the operation. Okay, the looping. Okay, so I put this range function here. Next I have to check. So for checking, I have to put the conditional statement. If I percentage, not percentage, if num, sorry, num percentage I, num means the number what I given, num percent I is equal to 0, then it will add in the sum. So sum is equal to, or sum plus is equal to I. Okay, it means sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay. This is the thing. Now again you have to put the another condition. This is the way, and other it will not adding the thing. Okay. Again you have to check another condition. If the sum is equal to now, then you have to give print num is a perfect number, and else print num is not a perfect number. Okay. This is the whole thing. I think you don't understood how what is the main function is operating here. At first, I have to creating the initial part, sum is equal to 0, because I have to adding all those number, because I have to checking that thing later. So at first I was creating this sum is equal to 0. Then I created loop. Why using the for loop here? If you tell me that you can use the while loop. For while loop, when we use while loop, when we don't know how many times the loop is going on, how many times. Okay, for checking the prime number, it will going for multiple time. Okay, and also for the other number also. But for this thing, you have to find a divisor of the number. So this is the limited. If 1 to n, you know, between 1 to n or the number, it will the divisor will be there. So that's why I use the for loop. The for loop using when you know the how many times the loop will iterate, okay, or loop will going on. Okay, so using the range function, using the range and for loop. So 1 to num, it will checking for every num with the every type of 1 to. Okay, so then if the number is divisible by that number, the number will be stored into the summation part. Okay, so at the last, the sum is equal to num, then it will call the perfect number, otherwise not. Okay, so that run this program, and now checking. So check check underscore perfect. Okay, we all know 6 is the perfect number, so run this 6. So see, 6 is the perfect number. If you change 6 within 7, 7 is not perfect, because we all know 7 is not perfect number. Also, you can check another number that is called 20 is also perfect number. You can check in the Google what is the perfect, the example of perfect number. 28 also perfect number. So run 20 is the, because 28, what is the 28? 28 is, you can, 28 is equal to 1. The divisor, what is divisor? 1, 2, 3 is not. So 4 is divisor, and 7 also the divisor. No, double to PCS. 7 and also 14. 14 2 is a 28. So summation of all thing 7 3 10 10 for 14 14 14 28. So it's the, so 20 is a perfect number. Okay, so there are lots of number which is are perfect. You can check that way. So everyone understood what is how it is the going on, how is this function work? Hello everyone.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, without function, we also can do this.
Yes,
code,
yes, yes.
right?
You can do any today class. I just want do the all the question according to function part, because in previous class we have learned the function. Okay.
Okay.
So function is the nothing. You will just create the define the function and put the condition inside the function.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is called, the main thing is the inside the function. Okay. So what is the benefit of function? You don't need to run every time this code. If you only one time create this code, and if you just calling the function multiple arguments, you can do. Here you can also check ch is check perfect, and put another number, let's suppose 56. Okay, it will also give you the answer, not perfect. Okay, so not every time you have to run this code multiple times. Once you run this code, every time you can calling this function, just like you print function or other function you can use. So this is also, you can create one function and multiple you can use this function. This is the benefit of function using. Okay, don't use to multiple time run this code. Okay, so this is the thing. I think clear everyone. Hello, Mujammil, Anita. Okay. Okay, so I think today this class is over. Okay, please wait everyone. Don't leave. I give the attendance sheet inside this chat box, in the chat box. Please wait. Okay, I will stop the sharing and also stop.